Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change your phone number on Binance. Alright, so first off, go ahead and open up the app. Now once you're in here on your dashboard, what you're going to do is just go ahead and go to the top left, tap on this three horizontal lines. Okay, and once done, just tap on your profile. Okay, tap on your profile, and then here just go ahead over to security. Tap on it. Now if you won't be able to see your phone number in here, just make sure that you tap on this drop down. Okay, tap on it, and then just go ahead and tap on phone number. Okay, and here's your phone number or registered phone number. If you want to, you could go ahead and delete this one. And if you just want to change it, well, just go ahead and tap on the change button. And do keep in mind that if you change your phone number, withdrawals and P2P transactions will be disabled for 24 hours. Okay? And after this phone number is unlinked, you will need to wait at least 24 hours before using it again. Okay? Could be on other accounts or within the same account. So just check on these check boxes, hit on continue, write down the new number, of course. And then you will receive a verification code. So just go ahead and enter that code that was sent to the new number. And then once done, just hit on continue and you'd be good to go. All right. And just do take note of these notes right here. That's basically it. That is how you change your phone number on Binance. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.